Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a delicious recipe. This is a recipe with yuca and it's going to be stuffed with meat and cheese. It's really yummy, so I hope you try it. Hola mis queridos, bienvenido a mi cocina. Voy a hacer una rica receta que se llama yuca rellena con carne y queso. Es muy sencilla y muy rápida para hacer.
For the ingredients, I'm using half a pound of ground turkey, but you can use ground beef. I'm using 2 tablespoons of homemade sofrito, chopped peppers, onion, and garlic. That's off camera. I'm using olives chopped, about 5 to 6, 1 teaspoon of butter, 3 tablespoons of flour, and mozzarella cheese. Para los ingredientes necesitamos son media libra de pavo molido, pero puede usar carne molida, 2 cucharadas de sofrito casero, pimientos, cebolla y ajo picados, aceitunas picadas, 1 cucharadita de mantequilla, 3 cucharadas de harina y queso de mozzarella. Next, I'm going to chop off the ends of the yuca and I'm going to remove the skin. El primer paso es quitarle las puntas y las cáscaras. Siguiente, cortamos en 3 o 4 trozos. Next, you're going to rinse the yuca and you're going to boil it in salted water for about 25 to 30 minutes. Siguiente, lavar las yucas cortadas y hervirlas en agua salada durante 25 a 30 minutos. A trick to speed up the cooking process is add 2 cups of cold water to shock the yuca. El truco para acelerar el proceso de cocción de la yuca es agregar agua fría. So now I'm going to start making the filling. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Along with that, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of sofrito, homemade, chopped olives, ground meat. I'm using ground turkey, but you can use beef if you prefer. I'm adding extra peppers, onion, and garlic. I'm going to add some sazon completo, about 2 tablespoons, about a teaspoon to 2 teaspoons of sazon with achote. I'm adding 2 tablespoons of tomato sauce, 1 bay leaf, and a 1/4 cup of white wine. Ahora vamos a cocinar la carne molida. Estoy usando 2 cucharadas de sazón completa, 1 cucharadita de sazón con achote, 2 cucharadas de salsa de tomate, 1 hoja de laurel y 1/4 taza de vino blanco. Now it's been about 25 minutes, so I'm going to pour off the water from the yuca and remove the cords that run down the middle of the yuca. Una vez la yuca se ablande, tira el agua y quita la harina de la yuca. Ok, machacamos la yuca y le vamos a agregar 1 cucharadita de mantequilla y en este punto si desea añadir sal o pimienta, hágalo. Next, I'm going to add in 1 beaten egg. Siguiente, estoy agregando un huevo batido. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of butter. Ahora voy a agregar 1 cucharadita de mantequilla. Now I'm adding 3 tablespoons of flour, but if you want, you can add cornstarch. Ahora estoy agregando 3 cucharadas de harina, pero puede usar maicena o fécula. So at this point, you're going to need a Ziploc bag or you can use wax paper for this and add a little bit of oil to the center. Then you're going to add about 1 tablespoon of the mashed yuca and then you're going to press it down really flat. And then you're going to add 2 teaspoons of meat in the center. Para este paso vamos a necesitar una bolsa de Ziploc o papel encerado. Agregamos aceite, un poquito de aceite para que la masa no se pegue. Ahora agregamos 2 cucharaditas de la carne molida y queso y no lo llene demasiado. Now you want to preheat your oil and add your yucca rellena right into the oil, and it should start to fry. You want to make sure your oil is hot enough. And yes, you can do it in the air fryer. Precaliente su aceite y añade la yuca en el aceite. Fríala hasta que sea dorada cada lado. When it's ready, then you're going to put it on a paper towel to absorb the grease. Cuando está lista, ponla en una toalla de papel para absorber la grasa.
Oh, that looks good. Cheesy.
La yuca rellena quedó perfecta. Como pueden ver, es crujiente y suave dentro. Okay, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching. Until next time, hasta la próxima. Bye-bye.
Today we're going to be making stuffed yucca with meat and cheese. A really easy, can I do that one more time? Okay, let's do it again. Hola mis cariños, bienvenidos a mi cocina. Voy a preparar una receta muy sencilla y muy wrong. Okay? Today I'm going to be making yucca with, no, okay, oh man, it's not yucca como, it's yucca stuff, okay. Okay, pause it.